Gotta mix it up.
Good evening, visitors and board members. We are Zach Engineering. My name is Remy Rodriguez. This is Joey, Doug, Benazir, John Baptiste, and Lesnar. Today we'll be talking about high-performance buildings because we want to implement a building within Dania Beach that is a high-performance building, and we would like to give reasons why. Today's overview will be environmental issues, history of high-performance building, defining LEED, the process of going through LEED certifications, ISO 14001, the advantages of using a high-performance building, and the project scope. If I want you guys to look at this, this is the United States, and these are all different countries, and we use the amounts of all these countries put together for greenhouse gas emissions, or we emit them. So this is, pretty intense. The impact of the U.S. buildings and the environment, we have 72% of electricity consumption, which is, your main electricity component, which is like within your house. 39% of energy use, 38% of all carbon dioxide emissions, 40% of raw material use, 30% of waste output, 136 million tons annually, and 14% of potable water. And now Leisner will explain high-performance buildings.
And talk about high performance building. Coming in is green building. Green building is defined as the increasing of the efficiency of resources used during the construction and the lifetime of the building. Those energy could be energy. Those resources could be energy, water, and materials. They also design green building to reduce the impact on human health and the environment as well. Brief story leading to high performance building. In pre-20th century, architect and builders were designing buildings. They were using simple mechanical to heat and cool inside the buildings. However, during 1930s to 1960s, because of the invention of air conditioning, they'll be able to control the temperature inside the buildings. Because of the amount of energy that required to cool and heat inside buildings, make buildings depend on energy to be operated. Moving to 1970 to respond to energy critics, the American Institute architect found an energy tax cost product line. As we move on now, in 1992, EPA introduced the first energy stat qualified product line. This includes personal computers and monitors. So in 1993, to promote green building, President Clinton was greening White House by reducing the amount of solid waste produced by greenhouse. And they also a U.S. Green Building Council also. As we went today, he's a perfect example of a green building picture. So this is what most likely they would want. And this green building located in downtown Colorado.
All right, let's talk about LEED. What is LEED? LEED stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. It was it's a green building rating system that was established by the United States Green Building Council in 1993. The USGBC is a non-profit organization that promotes sustainable development and green building construction. This program LEED was designed to promote sustainable construction, and it started as a combination of environmentalists, engineering, architects that put ideas together to see how they can improve buildings today. So the main goal is to promote high performance building by establishing standard of measurement. And the first version came out in 1998 due to improvement of the technology. It was improved to LEED version 2. And as technology is increasing and discovery is being introduced, today we're using LEED version 3. As you can see, there's a big improvement from 69 points to 110 points. That means that extreme effort has been engaged to improve today's building and the environment. And the branches for the LEED are new construction, existing buildings, commercial interior, homes, core, and school. The rating system. The system rate or score the building to see how it's gonna affect the environment, the building is gonna affect the environment, and the occupant health. So this rating will make your building, once you go to a LEED program, the building is gonna cost higher. And let's talk about the process of how you can have your building certified. First, you need to register your building on your website. Then they will assign you a LEED accredited professional that will discuss the project to you, and then go to the site. And he or she will assign a team that will prepare documentation and will go over the prerequisite and the requirement to have a certified green building. And once those points are being accumulated, they will give you a label or plaque that will display the building performance and operation.
Okay. Each rating system is divided into 7 categories, and each category is aimed to recognize the performance in key areas. First category is sustainable sites. These pictures were taken at the nursing building north of the Florida Atlantic University campus. One of the main focuses on sustainable sites is transportation. You have to be close, quarter mile to a bus stop or half mile to a train station. You also need bicycle storage, and this is a great example for it. The next category is water efficiency. Water efficiency mainly focuses on reduce the demand for potable water and the reduce in wastewater. Here we have an automatic faucet, which will only be working when there is a person there, and sprinklers, which use reclaimed water and avoids the usage of potable water. Energy and atmosphere is the third category, and it basically focuses on the usage of energy and to reduce the usage of energy as much as possible when not needed. Here we have performance lighting controls, optimizing energy,